Alright guys, we got 2 hours already. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the 12 volts, 200 amp hour LiFePO4 lithium battery. Big shout out to Goldenmate for sending us this tool. They are not paying us for this. They just sent us the item. We'll be testing this. I do have some more. One way you could use this is to power your power tools on the job sites. Yes, you can. And yes, it's easy to do. All you have to do is just hook up an inverter and you're ready to rock and roll. Charge all those batteries, those Milwaukee, those flex bolts. If you're on the RV, camping, anything, boondocking, whatever, this is going to be a great battery for you. These are the batteries that will run a lot of cycles. These are 12.8 volts, 200 amp hour, Goldenmate 200. Specifications 12.8 volts, 200 amp hour, 2,560 watt hours. Battery type LiFePO. Product dimensions 522 by. We'll go over the dimensions. And then the net weight, the gross weight is 26.7 kilograms, about 60 pounds, maybe a little bit less. Made in China. Safer, long life, LiFePO battery. Obviously, this is a big one right here. You guys know these are not cheap batteries, but this is actually a pretty good value for your money. Probably one of the cheapest out there with the best quality. There's a few videos out there that they did a lot of teardowns. I'm not going to do a teardown on this video, but we're going to be putting it to the test. We're going to be trying to run an AC system, a 1-ton unit, charge voltage 14.4 volts, 14.6 max, current charge 40 amps, 100 amps max, continuous discharge 120 amps, operating temperature. You've got charge 0 Celsius to 50 Celsius, discharge minus 20 Celsius to 60 Celsius. Looks like we have some instruction, and then you got some ways you can wire this up. You can either put to 8 cells in parallel or in series. So yeah, right off the bat, we got nice quality on the plastics, right. Nice thick plastics. You do got some caps here, safety caps for the battery to protect the battery terminals. You got a washer, a lock washer, obviously. And then if you guys look here, they are labeled. You got the red and the black. So we're just gonna put this back like it was. So obviously the washer, the lock washer goes first, and then the regular washer goes after. And we're just going to put that back in there. Alright, we got positive, negative. Make sure you guys don't mix those. That is very important. You do have some handles here. Really like this. Rigidness right there. It does have some information there. There are assistance for 24/7 assistance. The bottom, pretty plain. Alright, we got a multimeter. 13.3 volts. Obviously, this is a 14.7 or 14.6 capable battery. So I will say it's pretty charged, but it does need 200%. You have to get to the 14.4. So I do have a lithium battery charger, positive to positive and negative to negative. $13.7. So we're gonna go ahead and fully charge this. All right, so we got our inverter here. This is just a SunForce Pro Series, really basic inverter. This is a 1000 watts pure sun wave inverter, so you guys do see right here. Very simple. This is an old inverter I had in my old solar system. So we got positive and negative on the back. We're just gonna match the positive and the negative. It's very important you guys do that. Alright, we're just gonna do the negatives first. We're gonna throw our washers in there since. Alright, so negative. So we got our negative in there, and we're just gonna throw our negative over here as well. Unfortunately, this is what I have, so we're gonna use the positive. We're gonna make sure we put that in there. We don't accidentally touch the other end. Nice and tight, hand tight basically. And obviously you don't want to touch this with the other one. Very important. This is very important. As separately as you can from the negative. Alright. So You're gonna get the spark. Turn this off. Seems like we got the inverter that's working. Kind of smells a little bit. Alright, so 120 volts, Mirage, a 110 AC, a mini split. This unit, soft start unit, which will have a kilowatt meter. So this is the AC setup we got. As it states right there, 950 watts, 8.5 amps. And the wire is connected right there. Alright, that's the mini split right there on the inside. It's actually really cold out here right now. Disregard the 20 degree. It's in Celsius. This is Mexican AC. We got a temperature. So it's 70 degrees in here. And in there it's 39, 35, 36. Alright guys, we got 2 hours already. 2 hours and a half because it was 1:30. Now it's 4:06. So 13.0. 13.0. Yeah, this battery is a beast, guys. This battery is a beast. If it weren't for my old inverter here, otherwise we're still pulling about 547 watts. Yeah, this battery is definitely a beast, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.